What is synthetic data? Artificial intelligence models learn from data. The more high-quality data they have, the better they perform. But collecting real-world data at scale is expensive, slow, and often raises serious privacy concerns. Synthetic data offers a powerful solution. Synthetic data is artificially generated data that mimics the statistical properties and patterns of real data without containing any actual real-world information. It is created using algorithms, simulations, or generative AI models. Think of it as data that looks and behaves like real data but was never directly observed or collected. Privacy is the most significant advantage. Because synthetic data contains no real personal information, it can be used freely for training models without violating data protection regulations. This is particularly valuable in healthcare, finance, and legal sectors where real data is highly sensitive. Synthetic data also addresses the problem of data scarcity. In some domains, rare events do not happen frequently enough to provide sufficient training examples. Synthetic data can generate thousands of examples of a rare medical condition, a fraud scenario, or a vehicle collision to train models effectively. It is also used for software testing, enabling teams to generate large volumes of realistic test data quickly. Major technology companies, governments, and research institutions are investing heavily in synthetic data generation. For data scientists, machine learning engineers, and AI product teams, understanding synthetic data is increasingly valuable. It is one of the most practical tools available for building better AI systems faster and more responsibly.